Hello, this is Karen with Bain Group, and today we're going to take a look at the User Analyst Dashboard in Microsoft Teams. Here are the topics we're going to cover today: how to view analytics in Microsoft Teams across all teams, individual teams, and specific channels. To view analytics across all your teams, you first must be a member or an owner of that team. At the very bottom of your team list, to the right of Join or Create a Team, select Manage Teams. Then at the very top of our page, we want to go ahead and select the Analytics tab. Here, because I have no active users active in my fake demo environment today, I don't have any data to show. But if I go to the drop-down menu, I can see data within the last 7 days, last 30 days, or the last 90 days. If I switch over to my last 90 days, I can see that there was some activity going on within my users. Here, the categories across all teams include active users, people, guests, posts, and replies. We also have a type category indication whether the team is a private or a public team. You can also tell whether it's a private or a public team if you hover over the icon. So for this, for example, showing I have a public team for my Contoso. Now, some reason why you may want to view analytics in team is to gauge a better understanding of how many users communicate through channels and chat messages. Overall, to see if there's any activity patterns. So with that, let's go ahead and jump in to view analytics for an individual team. Again, you must be a member or an owner of that team before you can see the information. But we're going to go ahead and select a team, go to the More option, and then select Manage Team. Then again, at the very top of our team page, select the Analytics tab. Here, as just before, we're given a drop-down to see what date range we want to show the usage data for the team. Again, we have the last 7 days, last 30 days, and last 90 days. Now, just to help my user and my audience get a better gauge of what the data dashboard will show to you, this is kind of something similar to what it will appear on your teams. You have a summary of breakdown of between all user, apps, meetings, and even how many files has been stored. A record of engagement. We have active users and a breakdown of the role. And here we have some timeline just to gauge of how often our active user are involved within our team, along with meetings, and even a further breakdown to the posts, replies, mentions, and reactions. Now, again, if we want to see something or any analytics for a specific channel, I'm going to go ahead and jump back to my demo Teams environment. We can do so by going to the drop down here and select any of our channel options that are given. Or we can go straight to the specific channel, go to More option, Manage Channel, and again, select the Analytics tab at the very top. And here you'll be able to see a date range again of what data you want to be shown. Again, jumping back to my actual team environment, just so the audience can get a better gauge of what the data will look like. Here, when you're selecting a specific channel, the only information shown is a summary of all active users and apps, total of engagement, and only a line chart indicating of all the posts, replies, mention, and reaction between all active users. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and trick video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified, and we'll see you next time.